But the action thick and fast as Jayson Lackflood for Team North is making his way to the ring. You're not going to give us your musical opinions like Chi-Chi was?
I won't. I will keep my musical opinions to myself. Everyone is entitled to their music choice walking out, whatever works for you.
Absolutely. I'd like to see someone come out to the Birdie song or something like that.
I think I could do that possibly for my next fight for you, Ashley.
Yeah, I think that would just be something a little bit unexpected. Jayson Lackflood fighting out of the Victory Boxing Academy. He's had 12 bats, 5 wins, 7 losses, he was telling me. So started at the age of 11 boxing, but he had his first bat at the age of 21. Wow. So
bit of time in between.
Brennan Bragg just stopping halfway down and firing off some punches. I like it.
Yeah, I love the atmosphere each fighter is bringing as they're walking down those stairs. They're really hyping themselves up.
It's his first elite contest tonight for Brennan Bragg out of the Seconds Out gym. So made his debut back in 2022 at the Croatian club, and he won on points then.
Yeah, first one without headgear, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. I know for the boys it can be a bit of an adjustment taking off the headgear.
He started boxing at 17, age of 17, and he's been with Seconds Out for a year. And again, like so many, he said, I like it because it's a one-man sport. It's all down. So Jayson Lackflood for Team North in the red comes firing out. Brennan Bragg, Team South in the blue corner. Jayson Lackflood firing fast punches.
Yeah, beautiful one too.
Brennan Bragg at the moment just staying out of range. Lackflood again, just leading with that jab, which is what Chi-Chi was saying. It's such a good weapon if you get your range and you can attack off it and defend.
Yeah, beautiful combination coming off that jab from Lackflood.
Lackflood trying the double jab. Good straight jab that time from Bragg.
Oh,
that's a great feint, wasn't it? Just a reminder, these guys are amateurs. We've seen some superb bouts already today from the amateurs, flying the flag. Showing that the caliber in Australia is very good at the moment.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I think everyone's really putting on a show.
Looping hook coming from Bragg that time. Didn't quite make contact. Beautiful jab, though, coming from Lackflood.
Bragg starting to bring out a bit of flair. Beautiful one, too, over the top.
He's a much looser boxer, isn't he? Whereas Lackflood more compact and orthodox. Oh, that was a beautiful right hand from Bragg, but great response from Lackflood.
Yeah, I think the boys are really starting to suss each other out now and starting to land some nice shots. Really good patience from both boxers, though. Oh, beautiful combination from Bragg.
Very good. Body and head. Good response, though, again by Lackflood. Immediately forcing Bragg onto the back foot. Oh, it's a good right hand. Yeah.
And Bragg came back with a nice one to himself.
I think we're on for a belter in this one. Contrasting styles making it so interesting, isn't it?
That was a great first round from both boxers.
Yeah, and I would think a tough one to score as well.
Yeah, I definitely think once again, like Blackford definitely being a bit aggressive, more on the front foot, but Bragg also landing some beautiful combinations on the back foot and coming forward when he needs to.
Yeah, Jayson Lackflood is on his stool, listening to the coaching staff, whereas we have Brennan Bragg standing in his corner.
Yeah, every fight is different. Some like to stand, some like to sit. I know from when I started, I always got told to stand. You're only in there for 9 minutes, but...
Do you prefer standing now?
I do.
Because you got
100%.
used to it?
Yeah, I would never sit now. Never, ever.
I think psychologically
Oh, yes, for sure. And
it says something.
I think so too. I think when you're standing, it shows you're ready. But then again,